Hi everybody and welcome back to Life Princess Eyes with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi and today I have with me my friend Simran. Hi Simran, welcome to Life Princess Eyes. So what is your opinion? Pre-wedding shoots, yay or nay?
Yes. You should get a pre-wedding shoot done. Not the cheesy kinds where you're flying with balloons or holding up like card.
Yes, thank you.
No, there are some really awesome ideas on board. That's the only time when you as a couple will be getting clicked alone. And pre-wedding shoots is one time, where you as a couple can live your story.
Yeah.
It can get as simple as just clicking at your home.
Okay.
It can be as simple as that, A good wedding photographer will come up, does not need props. When we have two people in love and some great chemistry, you don't need props at all. इसमें पूरा शादी हो रही होती, there are so many things that come into the picture. Couples just forget it that, okay, I'm marrying this man or I'm marrying this girl. They get so tied up in choosing their lehenga, the caterer, the photographer, the designer, so many things. Brides especially. Grooms have still chill.
Okay, so taking from that, why don't you give some tips to our brides to make sure that everything goes smoothly in terms of photography, what they can do to help the photographers and just make the whole process much easier?
I think so the most important thing is to talk and communicate. That is the really most important thing, especially with wedding photographers, because I'm sure whenever someone gets married, there's a certain picture they have in their mind, thanks to all the Pinterest and the Instagrams of the world.
Yes.
So everybody has a certain picture in their mind that, okay, I get married, my day should look like this, And I think so a wedding photographer has the most important job over there, because they are the ones who actually make sure your day looks like that.
Translating your imagination.
Exactly. So the more you talk to your photographer that, okay, this is what, because for me, I'll be meeting this person for the first time.
Correct.
I don't know you unless like you're a friend or an old acquaintance. Then I know, okay, Pallavi needs this. The more you talk to your photographer, that okay, this is what I want, this is what I don't want. It becomes in sending the right brief to the photographer. That's how by the end of by the day, we know that person a little bit. Achha, this is what she likes, this is what she does not like. So that will help us translate in the work that we do. As simple as that, like apples or oranges. You need to tell, I like apples, I don't like oranges.
So it's not like your equation with your to-be husband ke nahi kuch nahi hua and wait for them to guess what's wrong. Please be very clear with your wedding photographers. Don't think they can understand or imagine what you want.
Don't be that person. No, it's nothing.
You should know what I want.
Exactly. तुम्हें पता नहीं.
Okay, so don't go into that zone. Just communicate and that'll be...
just talk. I think so that's the...
And also a lot of people are very camera conscious, so I think having that comfort level with their photographer beforehand
is very important. And that's where the pre-wedding shoot comes into the picture.
And now the million-dollar question that we all really want answers to. The one that all photographers hate answering. How do we crack our photography budget? I know, I lost my mind. So Simran, like I told you guys, I think Simran had a baby very very close to my wedding, and she kind of refused to do my wedding, and I was freaking out, going to other photographers and going through budgets like 3 lakhs and 5 lakhs and whatnot, and I lost my mind. So I mean, of course, like with every category in weddings, whether it's your decor or your outfit, there are options available in every price range, and it's a very, very personal choice. But let's say for a particular standard, what are the kind of budgets that people should be looking at?
Again, this is a question where the first thing that you have to answer for yourself is you want quality or quantity. It's very, very important. There are photographers, आजकल तो हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगी मैं कि वेडिंग फोटोग्राफी का ऐसा प्रचलन हो गया है, और कैंडिड फोटोग्राफी का ऐसा प्रचलन हो गया है कि तो मैं क्या बताऊँ. So again, as I'll go back to the first thing that I started with is what do you want? That's very important. Again, as simple as choosing your wedding lehenga.
Correct. Or your food. You can have 200 per plate, or you can have 2000 per plate.
You can have 200 per, exactly.
Yeah.
That's the same thing with wedding photography also. what do you want? There is a Prem Digital Studio also, and then there are some. I won't say that I'm like the best money can buy. No, I'm not. I'll be very honest over here. Okay, I am not the best money can buy. There are some really awesome photographers that I've got, you know. But yes, I can say that I come with a good amount of quantity and quality, and there are a lot of photographers, you know, who come up with a good mix of quantity and quality and a sense of art.
Yeah.
To be very frank, I'll put the numbers over here if that helps you, and if that helps
our
you,
viewers,
yeah,
for
that
sure.
helps you. Is look at anything between a lakh for 2 days for candid photography
Is the starting point.
is the starting point where you'll get good quality.
Okay.
That's something I think so that as a number would help you. For traditional photography, anything between 30,000 for 2 days does the job. Again, over here also traditional photography maybe. If you want to cut down on the costs, you can get your you can get your traditional pictures edited, or you can not get them edited. If you don't want to get them edited, just click and give it to you. Anything between 10-20,000 can be done. And if you want to get them edited, because trust me, आपको लगता है कि कोई काम नहीं है. There's a lot of work that goes in editing. A 20,000 job will directly shoot up to 30 to 35,000. So you need editing. Yes.
But there's also this one big debate on the number of photographers. So I remember when I was researching, somebody said, oh, you have 300 people, you need at least 4 photographers. And I had no clue whether or not how to reach that decision. So if you could guide our viewers on how, is there a fixed ratio, is there a formula that if you have X number of guests, you have to have these many photographers, or how do we decide, because we don't know what will be delivered to us at the end of the day.
Yeah, see again over there also it's very important, you know, what kind of coverage do you want? Do you want, you know, to have that many group shots? Do you want to have that, do you want to spend that much kind of focus on that?
Yeah.
You know, so it's very simple. I mean, I suggest my clients for a 300 or a 400 people wedding, a 3-member team does the job.
Okay.
You don't need more than that. You actually don't. 2 candid photographers, 1 for the group side, 1 for the bride side, and just 1 traditional photographer. The more you are going to spend on that paparazzi for yourself,
The more irritated
the
you will be
more
at the end of it.
irritated you are going to be, you know.
I remember how irritated my husband was with just 2 candid photographers. अच्छा बस करो सिर्फ फोटो खिंचाते रह जाएंगे.
Yeah, that's what it is, you know. So, but in the end, what happens? That's what I've seen at Indian weddings. So there's just, in the end, there's just 1 girl and 1 boy who's getting married, and there are 10 photographers, and everybody wants their piece of cake because everybody has been paid.
Correct. And they have to be
Everybody has to justify their
Yeah.
bit of money, right? So that's what I suggest everyone, that don't do that for yourself. Just 3 photographers for a 300 people wedding, 3 photographers, 1 candid photographer for the groom side, 1 candid photographer for the bride side, and just 1 studio photographer who will be capturing all the common group shots, you know, milli shots ho gaye, stage shots ho gaye. You don't need more than that. That's it.
So I think we've given you guys all the information you need and more. And you know, we're happy to answer all your questions. You can leave your comments, and Simran and I will get back to you. And good luck with your wedding photographer hunt. And any parting tips?
So relax, enjoy, and eat. You've done all the bit of planning. You cannot plan more. So relax at your wedding.
Let
day.
go.
Let go.
True.
Okay. Enjoy. You paid for the DJ. So please dance.
You paid for the liquor.
You paid for the liquor.
Take a shot.
Take a shot. Please drink and eat. You know, you paid for the food, so please eat. There are times, you know, where people are hungry. The bride is kind of downstairs. And you know, be with your loved ones. It's very important. Your parents, your mother, your fathers especially. You know, they are so busy making sure everything is in place. No, किसी की आओ भगत में कमी ना हो गई हो. And you as a bride, all you have to do is, you know, just sit all dolled up. You know, so make that effort in walking up to your dad and make him feel special for that day. Be with your sister, be with your brother, be with your friends, because they are already very busy in making that day special for you. All you have to, and all that you are doing is, you know,
Trying not to freak out.
Yeah, trying not to freak out. So if you go and just have a good chit chat with your family, I'm sure that freak out bit won't come at all. And that's where, when we will be also able to do our job properly. So that's all that I say. Just relax and enjoy. That's it.
So that is very, very sane advice from a very sane and talented photographer. You can all follow Simran, and her handle and her page is called Photos Aapki. She's on Facebook, she's on Twitter, she's on Insta. So yes, follow Simran on Photos Aapki. Make sure you subscribe to Life Princess Eyes with Pallavi for lots more wedding tips and finding the best way to make your wedding a success without spending a bomb.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Simran, for joining us and for helping all these lovely brides to be. And thank you. Thanks, guys. Keep tuning in. Bye.